During this circuit breaker, lockdown, and stay home period, most of us are working from home and even socializing or meeting online. The video conferencing tools we love are like Zoom, Skype, Messenger, HangOut, and others. Since video conferencing is unavoidable, how can we ace it? First of all, internet connection. Make sure when you are doing video conferencing, you have acceptable Wi-Fi. Don't do video conferencing in bomb shelter or kitchen. Bad Wi-Fi connection can create some glitches or disruption. Those will become a tension breaker. Secondly, your presence on the screen. Make sure you are sufficiently visible on the screen. Show off your upper body, of course with clothes on. I would recommend you to show your audience from your hair to your upper abdomen. This is to give you space to make some hand gestures. Don't just show your head, as they might see your pimples and open pores, even winkles. Please wear appropriately so that you look professional and nice on the screen. I know audience cannot see your lower part of your body. You can wear your sexy shorties or pajamas. But please don't show them on the screen. Don't forget your stage presence. Move around, for example, to your right or to your left to make different points. And stand in the center to open your speech and close your presentation with call to action. This positioning can add colors to your presentation. Of course, don't move unnecessarily and roaming around in front of the screen. It's very distracting. So remember, your stage presence or presence on your screen is very important. Thirdly, your voice. Please test your voice before you start to make sure everyone can hear you loud and clear. And do your video conferencing in a quiet environment. Avoid all those noises like your babies, your pets, and your mom calling you. You need to use some soft voice in your speech. Remember to test it out before you start. Number 4, lighting. A bright place is the right place. Make sure you appear to be bright enough so that the audience can see all your expression, your body language clearly. If you're in a dark environment, even you are Prince or Princess Charming, you're annoying to look at. Number 5, background. During video conferencing, it's not a good idea to showcase your messy room or house. I know it's damn fake, but just show the audience how clean your house or room is. The mess is a distraction, and this causes people to judge you. You, a dirty guy. You, so messy. And this is also a distraction to the audience. So a clean, tidy, and nice background is your best option. For example, a white wall behind you. Number 6, body language. If you think you don't need body language or hand gestures when delivering a speech in front of a camera, you have to kneel down on a durian shell. Body language in front of a camera still strikes a powerful message to your audience. For example, facial expression, hand gesture, counting 1, 2, 3, and etc. This will definitely make your speech more engaging. Imagine if you say, I am shocked, without any facial expression versus, I'm shocked. You can see the impact, right? Number 7, eye contact. As you know, when we talk to people, we love to have eye contact. And how can we do this when we are doing video conferencing? The secret is look at the camera. Don't look at yourself. during video conferencing, as that will basically disrupt your eye contact with the audience. By looking at the camera, you can basically create the eye contact you need to communicate with your audience. And believe me, the audience will love to see through you, through your window of your soul. Lastly, the right angle. Put your camera at the right angle. To me, I prefer the camera to be at my eye level so that I won't look arrogant by looking upward or show my double chin when I'm looking downward. If you're sitting down and putting laptop in front of you, it's fine to look a bit downward. But remember to hide your double chin. Feeling comfortable looking at your camera is definitely important. So remember to do that as well. Above are the 8 tips I want to share with you how you need to do when you are doing your video conferencing. I hope you can apply all these tips to ace your online meeting, video conferencing, and also online speeches. Thank you for watching. If you like it, remember to click subscribe and click here for more videos.